Greetings children, welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further updated videos. The following video is for class 2, subject General Science, chapter 7, Our Body, part 2. Last class we learnt about what are the different parts in our body. What are organs? Organs, the parts of our bodies are called, which perform the functions are called organs, right? We even learned what are the two different types of organs, that is external organs and internal organs. External organs are the organs that we can see, and internal organs are the body parts which we cannot see and are called internal organs, as we learned in the previous class. What are the different examples for internal organs? The lungs, liver, kidneys, stomach, brain, heart. These are the different internal organs which are present in our body. These organs are important to us because it helps in the function of our body. As I told you in the previous class, our body works like a machine. For the machine to work, all the parts of our body should work properly. Either it is external parts of our body or the internal parts of our body. So, we are going to learn what are the different most important internal organs. Internal organs means the organs which are present inside our body. What are the most important organs that we are going to study are the brain, the heart, lungs, and stomach. So we are going to learn properly about the brain, heart, lungs, and stomach. To begin with, we have the brain. The brain means, what is the brain, children? The brain is inside our head. If you touch your head, you can feel the hard skeleton which is covering our brain. Our brain inside is very soft. Okay, it is present inside our head. It helps us to think, learn, and remember. Okay, so the brain is a very important part of our body which helps in the working of all other organs. That means it also controls the working of the other organs. Our brain sends signals to all the parts of our body to function properly. For our heart, for our heart to pump the blood, and for our stomach to digest the food, for everything. If you see something also, the signals goes to your brain and your brain tells you what you are seeing. Like for example, with your eyes, if you're seeing the computer or you're seeing the phone right now, right? So your brain is sending you signal of what you are able to see, right? Even what you're hearing, my voice, my voice is being recorded by your ears, and the message is sent to your brain, and your brain tells you that this is Aishwarya Miss voice. Understood? That way our brains help in the controlling and working of the other organs. All the other organs, our hand, if your hand also has to move, it moves on the command of the brain. Okay, so the brain is like the very important internal organ of our body. This is the brain which is present inside our head. Okay, the brain is very soft. So the next part that we are going to learn is the heart. The heart is located on the left side of the chest. It is present on the left side of the chest. Our heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Blood is very important to all parts of our body. Now that blood is pumped by our heart, which is present on the left side of the chest. On the left side of the chest, our heart is present. How to find out if the heart is present in our on the left side of our chest? I'll tell you in a while. So here is the picture of the heart and how it circulates the blood throughout our body. The red color veins or the red color arteries are called, they carry the good blood. Okay, and the blue color carries the bad blood. Understood? So our heart is the major organ which pumps the blood to all parts of our body. So place your hand on the left side of your chest. Just now yourself you can do it. If you place your hand on the left side of your chest and stay silent, you can feel your heartbeat. You can feel like something is beating inside your chest. That beat is called the heartbeat. Understood? Next, we are going to learn about the lungs. Lungs means what are lungs? Lungs are the organs which helps us to breathe. Understood? So, when we breathe in and out, we can feel our chest uh, moving. Right? We can feel our chest moving up and down. Like breathe in, and if you breathe out, you can feel our chest came up and it went down. It is your lungs that get filled up with the air when you inhale, and then when you empty out, when it empties out when you exhale. Inhale and exhale means when you breathe in it is called inhale, when you breathe out it is called exhale. Okay, when you breathe in your chest comes up, when you breathe out the chest goes down. It is your lungs that gets filled with air. Understood? It is your lungs that get filled with air, and you have two lungs inside our chest. Okay, the lungs helps us to breathe. As you can see in the picture here, we have two lungs inside our chest. Okay, now there is one fact that you should know, that your left lung is smaller than your right lung. This is so because the left lung has to make room for the heart. Okay, our heart also is present near our left lung itself. So that small one is called the small part, the small place is made for the heart. Okay, then that is all about your chest. Then our lungs helps us to breathe. Then the next part is the stomach. Stomach means, now when you're hungry your stomach makes noise. Why? Because you have to eat your food. The food that we eat goes from our mouth to the stomach. Okay, it goes from our mouth to the stomach. Stomach stores the food and digests it. The main work of the stomach is to digest the food. Okay, the digestion, our food should be digested to get for us to get energy from it. So that digestion is done by the stomach itself. We will have lot of, here you can see the picture of the stomach. From the top food comes into the stomach, it is stored, it is digested, and it is sent down to the different intestines. Okay, intestines is where all the nutritions are absorbed from the food. You don't have to worry about much about it. You just have to worry about the different internal organs, that is the brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Now you have understood all the four internal parts, important internal parts that are present in our body. In the next video we will learn about different important tissues. Okay, so stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, keep learning, do the exercises in your textbook, do the exercises in your workbook also, and keep learning, children. Thank you.